Waves are rising, fear is knocking at my door. I hear the wind, my heart is shaking. Faith feels fragile, hope feels torn. Then a voice cuts through the darkness, calling softly through the storm. Do not fear, I am with you. Lift your eyes, you're not alone. Every step feels so uncertain, every doubt is screaming loud. But I fix my eyes on Jesus, and I rise above the crowd. I will walk